The 1999 Porsche Boxster. The Boxster is like a show of adrenaline. The design of the Boxster models is governed by one philosophy above all, that the styling of a Porsche reflects its inner values. Here, the primary value is extreme performance and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.